Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Drug, D-R-U-G. And as always, look at the top of the leaderboard here. In my races, Drug has won 9 races already today. But more importantly for me was when we looked at let's take a look at a different time frame. Look at the daily chart. And look what happened 2 days ago. So that was the big attraction for me to get into this because the next high was way up here at 477. And when I say that, in the room, I'm not saying I think it's going to get there, but at least we don't have to worry about chart resistance, okay? So that for me, the big idea was to take it just over this 220 level and then hold on. Now, unfortunately, I didn't hold on all the way through 3, but I did very well on it anyway, percentage wise. But the big reason was this area that it had to go. Now, keep an eye on it later on because this is a pullback and it may pause here and it may pop from there. So great trade out of the races. Let's see. Yeah, if you have any questions for me, here's the email address you can use. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern. Hope to see you then. Bye bye.